Good morning. I got my MunchPak in. This comes monthly, and it's got five different snacks in here, and that's what it looks like. All right. The first one, it's got a little book here to show you about each product and where it's from. Oh, well, I guess I better get it over there. Okay, this one is from Bulgaria. It's from Bulgaria. Okay, and this is crunch pizza. And that's what it looks like. That's the first one. You can get these in different sizes too. Okay. This one is from Brazil. That one's from Brazil, right there. Oh, it's got two suckers in here. It's shaped like a little hand. That tastes good too. Alrighty. And let's see. This is from the United Kingdom right here. Right there. I'm sitting in here in the bathroom. I've got more light in here than I have. And this is what it looks like. It looks like them little candies you get from the United States. And that's good too. And this is from Japan. I guess I got my camera too. Oh, this is a little ice cream cone. Little, and it's got candy at the top. That is good too. Okay, that's a Nestle's Quick. Let me see where that comes from. Okay, this comes from Poland. If y'all can see that. I've got my new camera. My other GoPro gave out on me, so I just got this new GoPro in yesterday, I think it was. And that's what that looks like. So this, if you would like to order, I'll leave the link at the bottom. This is 16 something a month. If you want just 5 of them, they've got up to several in a box. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 snacks in the one that's the biggest one, the family pack. So whichever pack you would like to, then they've got the mini pack is what I get. There's got 5 in there. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video come out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all, Happy New Year. I'm making this on Happy New Year's Day. Thank you.